There has been a lot of hype on investing in residential lots outside Metro Manila, especially throughout the pandemic. I always hear, maganda ngayon mag-invest sa Nuvali o sa Pampanga. But I'm telling you, if you're a beginner investor, you should reconsider this advice. I'm Hendrik Magwan, and this is The Real Deal. Investing in residential lots outside of Metro Manila could be a great strategy. In fact, there's a lot of potential. And yes, at times, I have advised investing in these areas. But is it the right strategy for you? Well, that's a very different question. Sa totoo lang, depende talaga yan sa purpose ng investment mo. I'd only advise buying a residential lot for beginners in two circumstances. One, bibili ka ng lot outside Metro Manila dahil plano mo siyang tirhan in the next few years. Note, not as your retirement home and not in 10 to 15 years from now. It should be in the next 3 years. Why? Because if you're buying now for a lot that you will use 10 years from now or even longer, maraming pwedeng magbago. Your priorities, your needs, your tastes, and your lifestyle. Baka by the time you're ready to move in, it can no longer serve its purpose. Or maybe, hindi na siya fit sa needs at tastes mo. 2, if you're buying it as an investment property, you should be able to pay for it in cash or at least the balance upon turnover in cash for pre-selling properties. Wait, Edric, di ba madalas mo sabihin in your vlogs to take advantage of the power of leverage or using home loans to make more money? But now you're saying to invest in lots only if I can pay for it in cash? Yup, it's true. That's because investing in residential lots is different from investing in condos and other types of rental properties. When you invest in a condo with the intent to rent it out, you will have rental income every month that will cover at least the interest expense. Pero pag mag-invest ka in a lot and you need to borrow from the bank to pay off the balance, you're just incurring expenses now without the income to offset it. In this case, parang lumalaki lang ang cost. Sure, you could argue that you could sell the property prior to turnover or soon after turnover to avoid or minimize your interest. Pero rewind tayo ng konti. Why are you considering to invest in lots in Pampanga, Nuvali, or other emerging cities in the first place? It's because you're speculating on its long-term growth potential. Pag binenta mo agad, you could be losing out on the best gains. So to make sure you never lose out on the best gains, hit that subscribe button to learn how you can make millions in real estate. The best strategy for beginners who are looking to invest in a property using leverage or with bank loans is to look at condo units in locations with strong fundamentals, meaning there are demand and growth drivers in place. This will give you a great mix of potential for high capital appreciation and growing rental income. The high capital appreciation will serve as your springboard towards growing your wealth, while the rental income will serve to pay for the expenses of the property and give you passive income in the long run. If you want to know which locations and developments have strong growth fundamentals, schedule a free consultation with me by the link in the description. Remember that there is no one-size-fits-all strategy. It's about finding the right strategy and tools for your own goals and your own situation. Some strategies may work for others, but may not work for you, and vice versa. But for most who are just starting in real estate, investing in rental properties like condos in Metro Manila will be your first step to financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Are you ready to invest in real estate? Let me help you get the property that best suits your goals and maximizes your earning potential. I am affiliated with the most reputable and trusted developers, offering a wide range of affordable to luxury residential developments in Metro Manila and adjacent emerging cities. So sign up now for a free consultation with me by the link in the description. Let's get rich and financially free, one property at a time. Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.